Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Stripe account using just your phone. It's a very quick and easy process and we'll go through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Once you're on your browser, navigate to the Stripe official website and then simply log in and go to your account. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, here you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now choose the Balances tab. Now you need to set up a bank account where you want to transfer your money to. Here in the section Upcoming to your bank, you can see the option Edit Settings. Tap on it. Here you will see the bank accounts linked with your Stripe account. As you can see, I've already linked my bank account with my Stripe and it is showing me up here, the US Bank. If you haven't added your bank account already, I've already made a video on how to add bank account to your Stripe account, so please check it out. So after you link your bank account, this is the account where you can transfer your money to. Now you can schedule your payment to your bank account. Here you can see the payout schedule. Stripe will automatically schedule your payouts. You can just select if you want to send it every day, every week, or every month. You can choose accordingly, or you can even set it to manual, where you need to configure when you want to transfer your money. After you confirm everything, tap on Save. So go back to the Balances tab. As you have already configured how you want to schedule your payment transfer, so whenever you have your balance over here, it will automatically be scheduled to your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Stripe account to your bank account using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.